Volume of similar solids. We already know that if two shapes are similar, their corresponding sides are in the same ratio. In this video, we will learn how to use the relationship between sides and volumes of similar solids to find the missing values. Let's start it. Look at this rectangular prism. Its volume is base area times height. Base area is A times B. Height is C. The volume is A times B times C. If the sides of this prism are multiplied by a scale factor of K, a similar prism is obtained. The volume of this new prism is base area times height, Ka times Kb times Kc. The new volume is the old volume times K cubed. K cubed is called volume scale factor. The volume scale factor is the ratio of volumes. This will always apply. If the length scale factor is K, the volume scale factor is K cubed. In other words, the volume scale factor is the length scale factor cubed. Let's see how it works. These two cylinders are similar with heights 12 and 36 mm. Cylinder A has volume 108 pi millimeters cubed. Find the volume of cylinder B. Let's find the length scale factor. We can choose the heights or radii of the bases to find the scale factor. It doesn't matter. The length scale factor is 3. The volume scale factor is the volume of cylinder B over the volume of cylinder A, and this ratio is K cubed. Change the values and solve for volume B. It's done. The following prisms are similar. Find the x value. Let's find the volume scale factor. Now, let's find the length scale factor. The length scale factor is big length over small length, x over 2. Let's solve for x. The next example is a question from past GCSE paper. You should try to solve by yourself and then check the full resolution. If you enjoyed the content of this video, don't forget to subscribe. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask or suggest anything. I will be grateful.